Hello guys, Jira Bro back with another video, and in this video what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be showing you how to add a property to your workflow. Now, very important thing when it comes to adding the properties to your workflow. Actually, what you want to do is add these properties to the statuses themselves. You're not adding them within the transitions. You're not doing that. You're doing on the status itself because it's saying options properties. So now what I want to do is I want to make sure that issue, when it gets into done status, no one can edit it, not even admin. No one. Add. Okay, that's great. Publish a draft. No, I don't want to save a copy. Okay, let's test this thing out. So now we have to do, in progress, and we also have the done. Yeah, by the way, I didn't know basically this project in here that was actually created by this sample cloud instance. It actually has 30,000 issues almost within it. So that was actually interesting to create a new workflow, then apply it on here. It was insane. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to first make it into the in progress. And I'm going to say changes made. Save. Good. From here, I want to do it here. Okay. Changes made. Can I make changes? Whoop. When I click on the description, nope. I cannot do any of those things. I want to change the amount of story points. No, can do. I can lock time though. Let's see. Time spent 1 day. Save. You couldn't save your changes. It doesn't let me to do it, even though it shows me that whole menu. It doesn't let you do it. Priority cannot be changed. Components cannot be added. Time tracking. I already tried that. Sprint. No. Cannot change. Parent. Nope. I cannot change any of those things. But added a comment. I can add a comment. That is the thing to understand. So in here there is like a bunch of lists of the properties and what their use cases are, and also what they're actually doing, what their values are as well. So you're saying like Jira permission comment project role, and then let's say project role ID of, if it has a project role of ID 2, only allow a user who has the project ID role ID of 2 to comment on an issue. Okay. But I can add a comment. Yeah. Ah, but it cannot be deleted. If I try to edit it. Edit. Nope. And if I refresh the page, edit, unsaved changes, edit, no can do. I can add the comment, but I cannot edit it. So that is also interesting. So there we go. So that is how properties work, and that is how properties are being applied within the workflows. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.